Okay, good morning students. Today I am going to explain how to find the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity if we have given the equation in quadratic form for the price and quantity. So in order to explain how to find, let's have an example. For example, we have given the supply and demand function. This P minus 2qs square plus 10qs plus 10. This is the supply function. And because here qs and here P is equal to minus 2d square minus 5qd plus 52 is demand function. And we need to calculate equilibrium demand and supply. So how to find solution? You should know in equilibrium QS QD same to quantity demanded and quantity supplied are same. You can consider as Q the same as linear equation. Now this is the value of P and this is also value of P. Okay, so this is the value of P and this is also value of P, but in quadratic form. In that case, you can use this 2q square plus 10q plus 10 is equal to minus q square minus 5q plus 52. Here we write q instead of qs and qd, only q. Because in the equilibrium qd qs same, so you just write the q. Now if minus q square here, so 2q square plus q square, 10q is minus 5q here plus 5q and minus 52. You have transformed all terms from right to left. Now 2q square plus 1q square, 3q square plus 10q plus 5q, 15q. This 10 minus 52 minus 42, it's 0. Now this is the quadratic equation, simple quadratic equation. You have to solve, then find the value of q. To solve this q, take a is equal to 3, b is equal to 15, c is equal to minus 42, and q is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You have to use this formula. Let's we have to use this formula. Q minus million minus 15 plus minus under root b square minus 4 a, what value of a? 3 and c minus 42 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. If you will solve this question expression, you will get the true value of q, that is minus 7, and another you will get 2. If you use 1, get minus 7, another 2. So 2 value. First you get plus and then minus. So there will be two values by using plus and minus. Let's have another. Now we have two value of q, minus 7 and 2. What is the q? Q is quantity. So quantity will never in negative. So the final answer, quantity demanded q is equal to 2. Why? Because it should be not minus. So you have to choose only 2. Now you need to find p. We have two equations for p. Let's use first equation. P is equal to 2qs square plus 10qs plus 10. You put the value of 2 in this equation p. 2 square plus 10 to put the value of this qs 2d same plus 10. So 2 square is 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 20 plus 10, it's a 30. So price is 30 and quantity is 2. So quantity price 30. You can write here quantity demanded and quantity supplied. So you can say equilibrium quantity. Quantity. This is the price. So equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. This is the answer. Next step, I show you. Next is different. In next step, I show you how to draw quadratic function. This is the first page. Here I mention you have the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if you have a function like y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and you need to draw this same as we draw the linear equation in chapter 1. Now you have to draw this one. Transposition of formula. I will read that later. So how to draw the quadratic function like that? If a is any positive number, if a is any positive number, then the shape of function will be like that. And if a is any negative number, the shape is like that. How we find? First, we put how we find? First, put y is equal to 0 and then we solve this equation. We will get two solutions. Then find the mid value of these two solutions. Then put that in equation and you will get y corresponding to that. And then you draw. I will show you by example. For example, you need to draw this one. Y is equal to minus x square plus 8x minus 12. For example, you need to draw this one. So first of all, the first step, you have to put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, so this all equal to 0, minus x square plus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. The first step, put y is equal to 0, so it should be equal to 0. Now a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 8, c is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus b यानी minus 8 plus minus b square 8 square minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 divided by 2 multiplied with minus 1. So when you find the value of x, you will get two value of x, which is 6 and 2. You will get 6 and 2 by solving. If you use plus, maybe you get 2 minus then 6. So this is the first step. What is the first step? Put y is equal to 0 and solve this equation. You will get two value of x. This is the first step. Second step, mid value of x. Here 6 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 4. And the maximum value, maximum or minimum means terminal value of y. How you find the maximum, minimum? It's depend on the nature of curve, but you always have to use the same 4 you put here. So y is equal to x4. This middle value you have to put minus 4 square plus 8 multiplied by 4 minus 12. So it is 4. It is 4. Let's check the two steps. First, put y is equal to 0. Then you make this equation and solve the equation. You will get two value of x. The second part, find the middle value of these two values. So middle value is 4. And the next part, put that value in the equation. You get the y corresponding. Take the photo, read this video, watch this video multiple times to make sure. The next, put y is equal to 4 and you get the y is equal to 4. Now draw the quadratic equation. This x, this y. This x, this y. What two value? 6 and 2. Maybe x here 2 and here 6. 2 and 6x. Draw or mention the two value of x here on this line. Then middle value 4. Middle may be here. Your curve, the x, it's a maximum 4. Y maximum 4. So y 4 here maybe. This y 4. Now draw like that. The highest value of 4. Again I am telling you, mention the two value of x here. Here, it's depend on the value. And we will have another example in the next lecture. So two value put here. The middle is middle, and at the middle the curve goes to peak at 4. Because here 4, this is the maximum value. If The A is plus, so the curve is like that. In that case, y is minimum. If A is positive, here A is negative. It's none of your concern. You just solve and draw. That's it. If it is minus, put a downside. If it is plus, upside. That's it. So this was the method to draw the equation